this is chicken. What's this? Jerk chicken?
Not to say jerk chicken.
And festival.
Zion on Instagram.
Oh, okay. We'll have to follow you then.
So you say people follow Chef Zion on Instagram, yeah? Chef
Yes,
Zion. Yeah, people build up to a carnival. It's a carnival outfit costume they're going. People on YouTube, what they look for?
King Attorney, yeah?
King Attorney.
Yeah.
Alright, say it. Yeah, man.
To do your footage. Jesus, me just a piece of pepper. Lord God, guys, me just biting piece of pepper.
Gentile?
The food nice, man. Me not lie.
Where's this video going?
YouTube, so you search for the Williams family.
Okay.
Yeah, the Williams family. Remember say? Alright, me go say when me go back to the camera and say the wife of a car. Huh?
TikTok as well.
Eh?
You're on TikTok as well.
TikTok, yeah, we're on TikTok, yeah. Hot.
We put your hat in your show.
Something hot in your job. The music low, you can't really talk to it like we're dog. Yes, people, we're there. Reggae in the garden.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now.
GNTs, welcome to another vlog. It's a Saturday today and we're outside. Juna, where are we?
We're in Peckham, southwest. Heading through Peckham,
Peckham
passing
is not
through Peckham.
southwest.
Where Peckham is?
Peckham is southeast.
Peckham is southeast?
Southeast 15.
SE50. Guys, we're traveling through Peckham, southeast, heading to southwest. On Natasha all ends.
But big up all the southwest people, Brixtonians. Yeah, we are going for drinks. Juna don't know where we're going. He thinks he knows me. He thinks I'm predictable. You know, hear him in the last vlog say me predictable. So I said me I got shit things up today.
Okay.
So I said to him, we had a nap today. We were tired. Oh gosh, we had a good nap. And then we woke up and I could see him looking fidgety.
Huh?
So I said, let's go on the road. I did get tickets for something. Because sometimes I do that. I get tickets and think if I decide to go, I go. If not,
Yeah.
I don't go. So the sun was quite, no, it looked like a nice day today.
So
we had a,
So we're going now, where you get ticket for?
you don't know where we're going, do you, Junior? Me not tell Junior nothing until
I'm
no.
say if you place where you're going to that, where you get ticket for or not. Is that you get ticket, you just freestyle it. It's a freestyle it.
No, where we're going is where I got tickets for.
Okay, that's me.
Yeah, so I don't know what the place is going to be like. Never been. But I said, it's a nice day. Let's go out there. I haven't got Savannah this weekend, so let's roll out. Ashley's not here. And it's a
friend.
yeah. So no kiddie zone today. So we're just going to go for a couple of drinks. Come back our yard. So follow us and see where it is we end up. And see if it was a good move that we left our house. And if we're going to enjoy it. Or if we could have turned our yard. So let's see if Junior appreciates the random outing. You know, Junior's faced it already. So let's see if Junior is still calling me predictable after this. Or if he appreciates, you know, the little put on your clothes and come. Because that's what he got today. Put on your clothes and come. So yeah, so let's see where we end up. cricket ground is over there. So for those of you who are cricket lovers, I've never been into cricket. Have you ever been into cricket? Being a Jamaican, do you support the West Indies?
Probably primary days. I used to cricket. I used to into cricket, but I won't follow cricket since primary days. But yeah, mostly cricket. I used to play cricket primary, yeah, from school days. But I don't follow cricket. I don't follow cricket. I think lots of Jamaican follow cricket. Really.
Hasn't it changed from Laura and them man gone? It's still the same. People still run it down.
No, people run that. I think majority of people, because when I speak to Indians, most of my staff are Indians. And when you speak to them, cricketers like they're big.
They're still right.
They know all of the Jamaican cricketers, all of the West Indian cricketers. They cherish cricket.
Right.
So that's the famous oval, and then they got the Lords. Is the next one Lords? Lords
yeah, but
up,
Lords is not down here.
It's up Kennington, up Macapeka, like St. John's Wood.
Oh.
That side, yeah.
I don't know. I only know here because I used to drive bus around here. Down that way, down there is Kennington. You go that way towards Oxford Street, central London. So I used to drive around here.
That's where me come for me corona shots actually.
Yeah, we come here for the bloody year, guys. When lockdown did go on, and we had to come for. Well, not we, because some people refused to take the injection, but we were one of the ones who were.
Injection. It was a vaccine.
Vaccine, whatever you want to call it. Is that it? There? Is that it?
Yeah.
So that's the oval thing. So yeah, so it was. We come to get the vaccine right over this.
Where will you get yours?
Right over here.
I'll get mine over here.
Me get mine over there. Where you get yours?
In the oval.
All right. So Junior was there, the oval.
The cricketers.
For the blasted
I don't know
corona.
I don't know how you end up out here saying there's no way to park, so you sat nav tell you that like a destination. The parking.
Yeah, I can find somewhere for park.
You can't find a park out here after.
Remember the time when you did come on your work trip?
Yeah.
And me come pick you up how much time at night the boy drunk in the backside make me come out to me yard 2 o'clock in the morning to pick him up. Huh?
Oh, where did you live that time?
I was in Kent. We was in Kent.
You're lucky.
Me drive all that way from Kent, come all the way down here to pick up man who can't handle in liquor. Should have left your ass.
When they teeth me with, then you're lost.
Anybody want second-hand goods? You don't want second-hand goods.
Brand new second-hand.
Brand new second-hand. Hey! So yeah, around here is like central. Well, no, is it central London? Yeah, it kind of central London. So it's hard to park, man.
Hard to park.
It's hard to park.
The map is take train come not to show you drive, but you drive come is.
Oh, should we have parked in Brixton and jump on the train? You didn't bring your pass, did you? There's some back roads, man, where I did wait for you one time. I don't know. Let's see where it is first.
It's right
where?
in the middle of so.
Oh, is it? I don't even know where we're going ourselves, guys. Where is it?
You say inside there.
Oh, it's in there?
Yeah. So you have to probably go look park somewhere.
Okay.
And I think this place is maybe 8 after 8.
Why you never going down that road? You gonna take this road?
No, you can't.
No entry, Jesus. Ignore me, I'm gonna leave it to it.
Then you're gonna find today's park.
Control zone. Saturday, Sunday. To 6:30. It's after 6:30 now.
Oh man, so you can't find that.
My God. So we're gonna try to get parking, guys. These places are hard to park. I didn't even think of it. I didn't even know where it really was, to be honest. So yeah. Right, guys. So we found parking, and there's a shortcut. So we're just walking through the park, and the weather is nice today.
So it's in the centre of Vauxhall, isn't it?
Yeah, we don't need any coat. What's the time? It's about 8 o'clock now, isn't it?
Yeah.
No coats. Yeah, weather's good. I don't know if I'm overdressed or underdressed for this thing, but I'm comfortable. That's the main thing. It's a good thing. We never fling on the hills
Yeah.
because it's a good little walk.
So yeah, so walking to the park. The park is quite active, so everybody's kids them out enjoying the park. And that's the thing about London people. The park are quite nice, lots of flowers, beautiful plants that people come out and take family photos. Someone having a 10th birthday today, so they dress up and taking pictures in the park. You know, so yeah.
Oh, let's take some pictures.
Nice little waterfall here. Family out having their party celebration in the park. You know, so people, you don't have, in London, you don't have to have a back garden to enjoy garden. Nice. Nice background. Over there again, guys, look. They're having party over there. You know, as long as you know, upstream, they probably have a family. Look like they have a family sport day today. Have all the cones and everything. You know, so as long as you know, causing no trouble and disrupting the peace.
Too much noise.
And it being loud noise, you know. Yeah. As long as you know, risk to the day, to the public, you're good. You come and enjoy the park and have your little family function. Shortcut to walk through the park. Yeah. Then the bunny man. Gotta make it Natasha man.
Road wide like.
So guys, so that direction is Old Kent Road going towards we call it London Bridge. That area direction is Old Kent Road, like Tower Bridge, okay. London Bridge. That area is like Vauxhall, going to Hyde Park. That direction. Over that side is going Tooting, Chelsea, Fulham, and that direction is going Stockwell, Clapham, Herne Hill, Croydon. So yeah, so we basically in the intersection. Why for the intersection? We at the crossing to go over to the next side of the. No, don't bring my hat. Your team my hat. They like the fur, not the furry cover one.
What, the Armani?
Yeah. Vauxhall bus station. Then the first time when we come in the first time when we come into the UK, this is the first place we came independently traveling. I was living in northwest London, Edgware Road. Just off Edgware Road, down Watford Way. If anybody know Watford Way, that's down where? Yeah, like people know about Edgware, Burntoke, Neasden, them side. and I've applied for a job, and I had to come in to the job agency for an interview, and this is where they send me. And I probably lost about 5 times. I probably took the wrong direction at once, and then the next time I went past the stop and I went to the bus. Someone told me to take a bus, go there and take the bus, come back, and it was a journey that day, but I still get on time because I left early. Appointment was 9 o'clock, but Vauxhall, the first place I came on a train. So I hate train people. Can't tell unless I take a train. Vauxhall food car. Just say good.
I should be on television.
Huh?
Bro, put yourself on some TV thing before you can line it. That's why I'm lining it.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Just to get into a club, something is written. What can you pass on this beat? That's nothing. There's some bloody money and your picture comes on it. I don't need that to get up.
They're scanning your face.
Listen to me. Yes.
Oh.
Rather than fucking going and stuff.
Oh, sure, not that. Man, some of it scanning my ID. Some of it.
You got ID?
No?
I've got to go to my cousin's.
Oh. Your physical ID? Why is it?
To tell you. Alright, well, they need physical ID.
That's what I said?
Yeah. So what does ring mean?
People Natasha panic, so I'm not going without ID and me get in before her. Say me I'll come in before you.
Jamaican independence, let's go. to the airport.
Yes, people. So we come out of the soca part, now we're into the dancehall. You can hear Jamaican reggae dancehall area. Here people build up to a carnival. It's a carnival outfit costume they're going.
We're celebrating Jamaican independence today. This is Reggae in the Garden. We're gonna take you to Carnival Town right now. Let's go. I don't want to know you're dead and gone. Everyone you wanna hold your head and gone.
Everybody out. Everybody out.
Stop your nice. What we say right now? Let's go. I'm gonna cool it.
Yeah, good to you. Yeah, good man. Alright. Oh, your friends are? Okay. Okay, oh, nice. Yeah, we're here. Alright.
Enjoy it.
Yeah, Catch us on the caffeine. Watch. Yes, people. My cool on your segment and now reggae, some reggae in your jaggy, yeah. Natasha, I finish half a night, you know. Go on. Yeah, so you hear people, they turn on the music. After 10, no, the noise, control the noise in the area, because there's lots of flat around the residential area. But they have the party inside. So people behind Natasha will leave in now. Natasha, what is it?
Hey, what's good?
So good vibes, isn't it?
Yeah.
The shame we didn't come early and consume more.
Yeah.
The energy.
That was the plan. Wait, what?
I got this size already. I was small size.
Oh, you got the size one already.
Thanks, eh? 16 pounds, small. Alright people, man, Natasha bring me here now, so Natasha gonna take me to Nando's. Yeah.
Nando's open something?
Yeah.
Hi. What? I'm coming back. Why would she move? I said to her, stay there, don't move. I told her, stay there, and she moved. This woman.
Yeah, man. So party's over. Nice little evening. No trouble so far. No trouble so far.
Right, guys, so we're gonna start our journey home now. I had a good time. It was a good vibe, man. I've had tickets for it before, you know. The tickets are free as well. Even better, you know. I love the freeness. So yeah, I booked it. I booked tickets before and I didn't end up going. I think Julia was working and blah blah blah. But yeah, nice atmosphere, nice vibe, mixture of people, you know, young, old, black, white, nice. They do food there. The drinks are bad. They do rum punch in a jug for £30. That's all you need, really. Next time if I go again, I'll go earlier and bill vibes from early, and then, you know what I mean. But yeah, we enjoyed ourselves. Junior, was your surprise? Did you enjoy your, as you always say, unpredictable?
Yeah, people, it's surprised. It was good, man. It was good. I wasn't expecting it, but I was trying to figure. I was kind of on my mind, really. I was thinking, why Natasha want to go all this far for a drink? So yeah, but it was a good atmosphere, you know, Jamaican vibes.
It was Jamaican Independence, actually.
Jamaican Independence, yeah, Jamaica 63 Independence celebration. So yeah, so it was a bit of a calypso in one room, and then they have soca in one room, and then they have a bit of they have dancehall and reggae in the main area. So yeah, so if you want to go and do soca, you're going to do soca. But yeah, but it was good, man. It was good. Definitely was good. Next year we go back again and prepare more. I think, as Natasha said, we leave earlier when they, cause we got there what, 8, just before 8.
Yeah.
And then we'll have people when Natasha were panicking, like, cause I never have no ID, and they will say, they were sign say physical ID, but sometimes, you know, you have to just try in it. They say physical ID only, and then we say, you know what, I got my ID on my phone. I got a picture of my ID on my phone. I'm saying, you know what, let me try it. And then we go, then yeah, the guy just say, all right, pass it to the next guy. So one guy basically doing physical ID and one guy doing we call it digital ID, whatever they call it. But yeah, it worked out all right, man. We went inside, we didn't have any food, so right now I'm raw, I'm hungry, and yeah, we just go for the vibes and have drink. We have overall it was quite good. It was, yeah, good vibes. Everybody was just vibing, you know what I mean, all kind of different characters and different people from different background. I'm sure sometime we hear Spaniards, and
they got a Latino community.
Yeah, so there's it's a quite big Latino community in this area, Brazilian, Portuguese. So yeah, so flags, recognize different Caribbean flags in the venue. So yeah,
back up in couple people.
So not just back up with a couple people. She know co-work, and you know, couple friends and stuff like that. So yeah, people, thanks for watching. I make Natasha close the vlog, guys. You know.
Yeah.
Sky juice, pani. I tell ya. Sky juice idea. Yes, uncle. Hello. What, you have fish? So we have authentic Jamaican food. You don't mind it on the camera, no? The vlogging, you don't mind it on the camera. Oh.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah. Yeah, man, say lady come back. Yeah, so me have me take to a festival and fish, yeah? What kind of fish you have? Red brim?
Red brim.
Red brim, yeah? Yeah. Yeah, man, so you say Rastaman City, Rasta car, yeah? Jamaican restaurant. Yeah, church. Full time I buy food from this place now.
You like some plantain with it as well?
Yes, please.
And veg?
And veg. No veg, just a plantain. Let me see how it look. Yeah. What kind of? You have soup?
Red peas or chicken?
Red peas. What red? I tell red peas.
I told red peas. You can get meat put in there if you want.
Oh. Let me have one of the red peas. Put some meat in there, please.
Oxtail, curry.
Huh?
Oxtail, curry.
Oxtail. You still have, you have jerk chicken too? You have jerk chicken?
Is that small or large?
The small.
Yeah, you remember what I said yesterday? The nice welcome one. Yeah.
Yes, speak now. Oh, okay.
Let's go to that.
Saint Elizabeth. Yeah, man. No, Sainty. So you say, are you artist up on the mic?
Huh?
Are you an artist up on the mic?
Veg and plantain?
Yes, please. You know, you remind me, you look like my man, you know, the man there where my Bob Marley a friend. So you win a restaurant, didn't it?
Yeah.
I years me see your car park out this, you know, yellow car, and my wife was saying still have the car. Yeah, man. We used to live on a Loughborough party, so I live at Kent now.
See that.
So go on, look them on reggae, what do you call it? Like an independence party done by Vauxhall, reggae in the as a reggae in the park or something like that. So we say we are pass and get some. I buy food from here all the while, come work. Sometimes I work in the area.
Okay.
So you say car still the boat.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
But that's all I'm saying this is Save Jamaica.
Are you saying that?
Yes, I want to be safe. You know?
So tell the people what your name, man.
King of Town, my name, you know. Save Jamaica.
Yeah.
Say, I want to be safe because too much corruption is going down there.
Yeah. So it's a new song.
It's so new still, you know, because I want about 10 years now.
Oh, so
Save Jamaica.
Yeah. You know the man, Bob Marley. But when you go to Bob Marley Museum, he's there playing music and stuff. That you remind me of. The same man. Yeah, can't remember my name.
Play music.
Yeah, man, but I didn't buying. I can't remember my name, man.
That's how my mom was carrying my
Yeah. Okay, so you're an artist. Yeah, see.
Save Jamaica.
Yeah.
Sweet Jamaica.
So when people on YouTube, what they look for?
King Attorney, yeah?
King Attorney.
Yeah.
Alright, say it. Yeah, man. So I think you don't do pork. Prefer if you ask the pork. You know what you do? If you can't come in and shop and ask, what is it? Chicken, jerk chicken?
No, we don't do it.
Yeah, chicken.
Yeah, jerk chicken.
Alright, you have jerk chicken?
Yeah.
I have a jerk chicken at festival too, yeah? Yeah.
You like a £5, £8, £10 portion of the jerk?
Say 10 pounds. 10 pounds, yeah. And festival, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a big
Where's this video? Where's this video going? Where's this video going?
YouTube. So you search for the Williams family.
Okay.
Yeah, the Williams family. Let me see. Alright, I'm say when we go back to the camera, I say the wife of a car.
You're on TikTok as well.
Huh?
You're on TikTok as well.
TikTok, yeah, we're on TikTok, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, people. So when you pass through Brixton, you can't miss the shop. Yeah, pass Loughborough. Loughborough, right after Loughborough Junction. See there? Bless West Indian takeaway. Food time buy food from here now.
Oh.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. Follow, yeah.
What we got in that? So we got a portion of fried fish.
Fried fish fishing festival. And then you got the
George, yeah.
and a small dinner.
20. What's in this one? What's in this one?
What size?
Small dinner.
Yeah. So 10, 20,
Let's get the portion of fish fishing festival.
30. Hey, my cash on top of my family. Yeah.
So what time you guys close?
Close. We don't have a set time, you know.
Just right, yeah. Yeah, man. So no set time, people. Alright, big man. Bless, yeah? Alright, take care. Stay straight later, yeah? Alright, bro, yeah? Alright, bless, yeah? So yeah, see the man car already. These people. Whoa! Fish look good, man.
Fish look good, actually. You should have to. Oh, my plant in there.
You can have my plant. You can have this plant.
You can see good. Cars are dark.
So these are fish, people.
Come on, look. Sauces.
That's my corrugated and down.
No, do you know when we...
Corrugated and thing, people. If you know me, you know, you know, so you know, rubbing belly.
Love them boy. Love them belly, man. Somebody love them boy.
So fish.
They say easy for poison.
Hey! You can poison me, people.
So, you know what we do.
It's not. I'm like the owner, the boss man. I'm in the kitchen, I cook up a piece of storm.
So you get him cooking?
Making just people. You see? You see? And then yes or no. Yes or no, I get red pea soup.
Right.
I ate red pea soup. So she said, the lady said, do you want meat in it? And I said, you can meat in it. So it's alright. She said, me a rasta man. We have some meat tonight. So it was strange. She said, if you want oxtail, I want curry goat. And I said, it's alright. So give me the oxtail. So this is it, people. That is it.
Okay, look good. I'm on the food now. I'm somebody in a buy Jamaican food in England. Because I just believe that we can cook the food I mean.
Tastes good, man.
But
Tastes rich. Tastes nice,
this
you know.
is nice.
The fish.
This is nice, guys. You're gonna ask me in the shop if I want each fish.
Alright,
I'm
guys.
missing now. But the fish nice. It's nearly done.
You know.
To do your footage. Jesus, me just a piece of pepper.
Mm-mm.
Lord God, guys, me just biting piece of pepper.
Gentile.
The food nice, man. Me not lie. GNT.
The soup is nice. You can taste the we call it.
Pimento.
You taste the pimento in it. She put some oxtail in it. I got some little dumpling in it. I got the red peas in it, of course.
Let me tell you something. You have spoon?
Hot, you know. Hot.
You put it hot in your shower.
Something hot in your shower. Oh. I'm thinking of this spoon.
That's what I'm saying. You get soup and a spoon.
Oh, but
Drinky.
You look like it's something you're saying. Like, you have covered this, make this stay warm.
Guys, I'm not lying. I think this restaurant has made me think twice about Jamaican food shop.
Change your mind.
But change my mind, man. I have to drive all the way from Kent, come down here, just forget the food.
I don't remember the name now, but I go, obviously.
We're gonna Google it and tag it and what you call it? Drop it in the comment section. I know we've been a bit lazy with that. I had one of my friends them tell me say we need to tag more where we go, because other people might be interested in going and stuff like that. So we're gonna try. I'm gonna try and make more effort and tag shops where we go, places where we go, and stuff like that. But me not lie, you guys.
Check them out, guys.
Food turn up.
This is
In a turn up, it turn over.
And this is not a paid promotion, yeah?
In a paid. God not paid, but the food nice.
Let's drink again.
Do you want to give us some? Have some, my husband. Have some. Well.
No, more the piece of the skin. The piece more. The piece look nice. Yeah, that's it, man.
I thought there's a bone in there.
Oh.
Give them the verdict. Or the jerks there. It's nice, man.
Yeah, look, there's some honey sauce.
Nah, man. Food turn up. Up. How much out of 10?
Look at them now. I would say give them a 9.5. 9.5 is a big score.
So what you so you mix different drink?
What?
You mix different drink. What's in that?
Tropical mix.
Okay.
Yeah, man, so the man mix the juice from spot.
Lemon and ginger.
Okay.
You want triple, single, or double?
Double. I like the setup, man. I like, you know.
Give thanks, man.
Yeah, man. Where are you from? Jamaica?
Yes, sir.
Aye. You look like a Senti, man. You're not Senti, man.
St. Thomas.
St. Thomas, aye.
So what's your business called? What you called?
Chef Zion on Instagram.
Oh, okay. Where's the funny in it?
So you see, people follow Chef Zion on Instagram, yeah? Chef
Yes, sir.
Zion. So you Brixton?
Yeah, there's a party going on down there now.
Yeah?
Oh.
Same. So in Brixton, we stop and get some Jamaican food at a restaurant. We sit in a car, eat, and then Chef Zion pass through.
Yes, sir.
And give us some juice, some ital juice to wash it
Yes,
down.
sir.
I mean,
Nice tropical vibes cocktail, yeah?
Thank you. Let me taste it. Let's see what I want here.
Oh, yeah, the double shot each, innit?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. 13 each.
13 each. I got money actually. 13. What's that? 13 and 26.
you have changed with 20?
No, I got 20.
Okay.
Let me get a pound. Hold on.
Okay. So 13 and 13 and what?
The 26.
Yeah, 26.
Innit? I gave you 25. So.
You didn't take- yes,
Yeah?
it's
Don't short yourself in a Zion.
Exactly. And that's what I said. Pound
You
back.
just look for me. A festival, me just look for me.
Which one?
In a Burgess Park.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
man, bless up.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna
Chat safe, yeah?
Yeah.
How
Yes,
you
I
chat? You
do.
try to tell me.
Oh, yeah.
This tastes good. It tastes rich.
Ah.
Yeah, man. Bless, man.
Let's go.
Nice. Alright, bro. Keep it going.
Hey, follow us on YouTube. You'll be on YouTube. Yeah, we'll give your business a shout out.
Okay, cool.
Alright, make
cool.
sure you know.
Yes. My Instagram.
No, YouTube. Sorry,
that's what it is.
YouTube.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. What's the program about?
Family adventures.
Family, traveling, business.
Yeah.
Make sure you follow.
What's your name, brother?
Junior.
Junior.
Yeah.
Zion, yeah?
Alright, bless
Zion.
you.
Bless them. Love.
We'll follow you on Instagram as
Come on,
well.
Brixton, Independence Dance.
Independence.
No, I want.
We're part of
Yeah.
Right outside the leisure center, street dance, it's packed.
Is it?
Yeah, man, I don't know.
Zion.
Brixton always a keep.
Manala invite us a party, a independence
Street
dance,
party.
street dance. The regular thing is to go on when we live at Brixton, but
That's true.
we never really go there still. You know what I mean?
There was a couple fights. We went to some, took Ashley when he was small, and couple
Go.
fight back out to the
Go.
corner. Oh yeah, taste it. Give
Zion
us the
pass
verdict.
through. Why not? Is it ginger,
Ginger,
lemon, and
some powder sauce.
and two shot of rum.
Yeah, we got double rum.
Double rum.
We went out the window.
13 pound each. Zion, brother. Thing tastes good.
It
Nah,
tastes
lie.
good. Let me taste
I'm going
it.
to need now. It's a glass. It's cup with him brand and in logo and brand I didn't know to sell off
yeah,
the thing.
that's true.
Take it thing to another level, like Zion's in. Tastes alright, isn't it? Oh, you know.
Let me taste it. Sit down. What's it like to eat me?
What's that?
Restaurant.
It's got 26 pound, yeah?
For what? The
Don't
drink?
think about it.
Have to support the locals.
Alright, Zion, we're not kill it, brother.
But it's a proper shop though. It's strong, innit? But he make a good money because him just see us on off the off chance. That's what you call businessman. Innit? He just see us eat and say to himself, they must want drink. That's what you call a businessman. We not going to a picnic. If we get say you have picnic. And she must be saying, where's my parents? But it's been a good night, man. Innit? It's not often you go out with your lovely wife.
Miserable.
He said me miserable people, oh God. I think I'm miserable. I think I need to relax more. I think I'm highly strong.
You should drink more.
Need to drink? Me not even. You think I'm one of them women that have to drink for relax me myself?
Yeah.
Huh?
It was weird if it's around you too. Relax, don't worry about them.
I'm more drink in my yard. You will never see me out a road and drunk and not aware of my surroundings. Natasha is not that girl. I must have 2 times I get drunk out a road, and that was on holiday in Jamaica and never again. Me not like it. Me not like that feeling. A drunk kind of vomit up and down. My God. Not that kind of drink.
Drinking,
You mean just to feel nice? Okay, Gina said me too aware. You want me little tipsy.
Feel nice. Relax. Put your hair down.
My hair is down. It feels nice too now. Everything done now?
The curry goat, I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to use me order the curry goat. This was yours really.
Mine and him not give me none of it.
But you want curry? You come in, you don't like fish, ain't you?
I do fry fish.
I do.
For my fried fish, I love it.
That's it, people. So, you type it? The rubbish now?
So guys, you know what we said, don't just watch the thing, subscribe to the thing. If you enjoy the content, just press the subscribe button. It now costs you, it free. We tired for talk to you. But yeah man, support us, help the channel to grow, and we'll catch you in another vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you haven't checked out Reggae in the Garden before in Vauxhall, go check it out.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French.